All right, this is the Open Story Suitcase. Got this from Target. This is the unboxing of the Open Story Suitcase. This is a rather large suitcase. Bring it up right here. As you can see, it says it's a 29-inch suitcase. It's 29-inch hardside suitcase. All right, so there's a suitcase. It's fairly light for it being so big. And then, of course, there's nothing inside of it. It has these swivel wheels where you can swivel it around easily. They say that these are, as you can see right here, it says that the wheels are quiet. It says the spinner wheels are rugged and reliable, 360-degree spinner wheels. And that's what they're talking about. The suitcase comes with a 10-year warranty and some other stuff. It says this is heavy-duty YKK zippers. All right, so the zippers are supposed to be heavy-duty. It says 365-day of happiness guarantee. I'm not sure exactly what that means. It says hassle-free return within 1 year of the receipt. So that's a pretty good assurance. You have a 10-year warranty, but you can return it within 365 days for a refund. All right, so this is the suitcase. I'm going to put it on the bed so I can show you, I can open it up and show you what's inside it. All right, so it has this right here first. I'm going to show you the handle. It has one handle on this side. It's like a rubber handle with a little bit of cushion on the bottom. And then here's for the rolling. It comes up in sections. Now this is important because sometimes you don't want a long handle depending on how tall you are or how high you want the handle. So it comes up, that's one notch, locks into place. You're able to wheel it away like this. Pretty cool. Comes up to another notch, second notch. Let's see if it comes up to a third one. And it does. So it goes 3 notches and you can carry it around like that. So there's a little bit of a funny thing going on, like when you have it sitting in a normal position and then you pull it down to walk with it, the wheels have to get in line. So there's a little bit of click. Let's see if you hear it. You hear that? So that's the only thing about that. So it looks pretty good. Let me open it up so we can see what's inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the bed. Move the camera over. All right, so it's on the bed. I'm about to open it up and so we can see what's inside. So there it is right here. As you can see in the front right here, it has a combination lock right here. I'm probably going to do a video on that, how it opens up and whatnot. So there's a lock right there. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a video for that. And here are the zippers, the YKK super heavy duty zippers. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and unzip it. I'm going to go ahead and unzip it. This should be the top. There's an extension zipper before I get down to it. There's an extension zipper if you need extra, to tighten up at the end. You can open this up and then put your stuffed suitcase, put a whole bunch of stuff in your suitcase and then zip it to tighten everything down. It's a pretty cool feature right here. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's on the inside. So I'm going to take the zipper, go that, take this around. It goes all the way around. I'm just going to open it up like that. And so there's a lot going in. There's some reading material in here. All right. And there's a lot of pockets. On this side right here, you have 3 zipper pockets to slide things in. You have one down here to put some stuff in. Actually, there's only 2 on this side. And right here to put some stuff in, like toiletries or whatnot. Let's look at the other side. They have one big zipper right here to put a lot of things, dirty clothes perhaps, inside of this. Let's zip that up. Now let's go ahead and open it up completely. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, go around right here. And this is one side compartment. A lot of things can go on this side right here. All right, big space. And there's actually another, you can turn this around, little pocket thing right here, pouch. You can put things in here, probably toiletries or something in there. It's a long zipper. Go ahead and zip this back up. And then I'm going to come on this side and open this part up. And there is, you can put more things. And then there's some tightening down straps right here. put things in here, and you can put this right here, keep things in place, keep them from going all over the place. And then here's another pocket. There's actually something in this. Let's see what's in here. Seems to be some bag of some sort. Perhaps you can keep dirty laundry in here. Yeah, and it says laundry right there. Pretty cool. It's a laundry bag. And then take that out, you can actually put some stuff in here. Maybe some valuables. So I'm going to go ahead and close that up. And we're going to take a closer look at the lock feature. All right, so that's a suitcase. We're going to take a closer look at the lock feature. I'm going to get in really quick. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this. All right, so here is this part. I'm gonna come in closer so we can actually read this together. All right, so hold this down right there. And hold on. All right, so right here, it shows right here, for combination, open your luggage, set the combination to 000, slide lock to the right. Instructions to set your own code are inside. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. There's some sort of lock right here. I guess that's for TSA. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Open it, it says open it up, the combination. No, set the combination to 000. Open, for opening luggage, set it to 000. Slide the lock to the right. So where's the lock? Am I doing this right? How do you slide the lock to the right? So I'm guessing there's a key. I'm not sure. Oh, this right here. So slide this to the right. All right, so that's how you set it right here. Instructions to set own code are inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this back up. Zoom out. And we're gonna see where the instructions to opening the code. Is that what this thing is right here? Okay, TSA accepted locks. All right, so here it is, the instructions. All right, the instructions. The default code is 000. To set your own personal combination, follow these steps. Set the dials to the default 000. Press the reset button with a pin and paper clip until you feel click. So I'm going to do this later because this is a little bit of a process. But thanks for watching my video.